Danielle Stein Fairhurst.
Danielle, nice to meet you. I have a few questions for you today. What's the best Excel event out there?
Wow. Oh, I think the Global Excel Summit in London.
Which is your favorite or the best Excel feature or function and why?
Oh my gosh. Well, I think I have to say dynamic arrays because that's what I'm speaking about. I do love dynamic arrays because they're new and they're just fantastic. Yeah, but so many. There's so many others as well.
If you had one Excel feature to delete or get rid of that literally
Scenario manager. It's never been useful for anyone. I just don't, have never used it. Yeah.
Now we're gonna go into the hard question to see if you're a real Excel nerd. Yeah. No, I don't think so. In which year Excel was founded?
I have no idea. No.
2005 maybe?
I think it was before then.
How many rows can you have in a single sheet, give or take?
Well, like if you just standard Excel, it's like 1,048 or something like that.
You're right.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Daniel. Thank you. Same here.